There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Durango GT Blacktop Edition in granite gray. With HID headlamps, gloss black exterior mirrors, gloss black badging, 20-inch high gloss black aluminum wheels, Class 5 receiver hitch, leather trimmed bucket seats with suede insert, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, GPS navigation, Park View rear backup camera, sport mode, remote start system, heated second row seats, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5425.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.